Hi, this is Kim, and this is what is going on. So when I get into my post, my second post that I had to redo, and I go to upload the new one, it just says there's no items in my file, and I know there are. I'll show you. Anyways, it says there's nothing there. So, but when I go to my Windows Explorer, into that folder, it's right here. I know I have a lot of stuff in here, but I know it's here, so I'm just trying to figure out how to get it to appear in VoiceThread. If I do a new post, it seems to be able to post it, but it's really confusing to go through all the comments if I have to do separate posts. So if you have any idea of what's going on, what I've done wrong, I would appreciate the advice. Thank you.